Alright, I just cleaning out this one. So yeah, it's very simple. It's just a box on a stand with a pump on it. Something real simple. But it gets a little messy, so I'm thinking of cleaning out those rocks. Um, get the gunk out of it, probably. I found 2 mosquito fish. One looked pregnant. I'm not 100% sure, but oh well. Good thing is that mosquito fishing. Hopefully I don't have to buy more. Bad thing, there's a lot of rocks. So yeah, my goldfish, I guess aren't that friendly, but you can see. And the 2 little mosquito fish, one right there. Where's the other one? He's probably hiding in between the rocks or something. But I think this is a good spawning spot too, if I pulled out some rocks. Oh, yeah, that's mainly my, oh, air escape. What happened? Oh, that's fine. As long as it doesn't go in the big tank. But yeah, I shall be, I don't know if I want to clean out the rocks. Kind of half and half on that. But, yeah, good day.